Nifty itself. But it's a good time to get in Nimesh. He's going to tell us what's going on in D Street Chatter. Nimesh, what are you picking up in terms of the dealing rooms? All of them are booking their tickets and they've already reached Ahmedabad.
Not everybody's reached Ahmedabad yet, but of course on Saturday and Sunday everybody's going to be. I think half of Bombay is going to be in Ahmedabad for sure on Sunday, right? So it's a big match. I was lucky to watch the 2011 finals. I hope I bring the cheers and the luck this time as well. So looking forward to that final match. I'm going by train.
By train, lovely.
Oh
yeah, you booked the tickets first.
Booked the tickets well in advance. So.
Lovely. Tell us, what are you picking up in
So, Nigel, from a market perspective, been consolidating in a very narrow range, but the institutional activity is on the higher side. So expect high volumes across the board. And again, a small bit of buyers on the negative side. That's been the trend for the last many days, barring one day of positive buying. But again, the overall pressure seems to be largely in the financials. Of course, the RBI action took a toll on a lot of the NBFCs in today's trade, but in general, the flows have been negative. In the financial names. But the consistent sector outperformer is the PSUs. Now, that continues to outperform today for a change. A lot of the railway PSUs are buzzing in trade, huge volumes and big movers, right? I mean, 8 to 10% is what a lot of stocks are buzzing in trade today. So that's where the action seems to be. I guess the mid-cap index is relatively outperforming. That's again been the trend for the last many days. But another sector which has emerged like a bit of some sort of buying seems to be back is the insurance names. A lot of private insurance companies are buzzing in trade today. But cut short, a day of consolidation, but the flows are a bit negative, is what I understand from larger institutions.
Indeed, and the Nifty is swinging around. We were down 45 points, now we're down just 20 points. So it seems to be moving in that 20, 30 point range. What about individual stocks? Plenty of action, right?
Plenty of action. And as I said, the volumes are on the higher side from larger institutions. So the first stock on my list today is Vedanta. That's been buzzing for the last few days. I understand the fundraising is around the corner. That's something a lot of analysts are expecting as well. So that's something to track in Vedanta. The second stock is DB Realty. For second day running, there are multiple blocks happening in DB Realty. Even yesterday, there were large blocks. I understand the promoter entity is a seller in today's block as well. But again, the feedback is that maybe the promoter is going to infuse fresh capital into the company and make the company debt-free. So that's a trigger for DB Realty. The third stock is Shriram Properties. Been consolidating in a very narrow range, but the sense is there's going to be a large block again in Shriram Properties very soon. And also there is a strong indication that maybe the company is very close to monetizing one of its assets as well. So that's something to track there. And the last one is HDFC AMC. The AMC stocks are buzzing after a long time, but HDFC AMC stands out, big mover in that stock, almost at 52-week high, and I understand some buying interest as well from larger institutions. So expect high delivery volumes as well as the stock is buzzing as well.
You know what, guys, I'll just tell you this. Maybe Mangalam lands up there. I know Nimesh is there. For someone like me, just seeing the players behind you, behind our newsroom, that's as close as it gets to the feel, to the vibe. So I'm loving these graphics that our team has put together. And Nimesh, one request.
I will pile on Nimesh's train ticket and perhaps I will go along with him. Nimesh, I'm coming with you.
I'm not flying. I told again that I'm
not train. I said.
Come in your suitcase.
Just hop into the train, yeah. Mangalam will manage.
Perfect. I'm coming to the match with you, Nimesh.
Nimesh, please, one request. Please eat what you have been eating for the last 10 games. Wear the same shoes. Maybe wear the same jersey. Wake up on the same side of the bed. Do the same thing that you've been doing. Because we need 11. 11 shubh hota hai.
And Surabhi, what I've been carrying my lucky flag as well for all the India matches. That was a flag I've been carrying since 2011. So I guess even this time we'll be lucky.
We will be lucky. And Surabhi, you spoke about wanting to watch the cricketers behind Nimesh and Nigel. Well, our team has brought them